channel. So for today, we are going to head to Whole Foods and see what goodies we can find. I have not been to Whole Foods in a very long time, so I'm hoping to get some like new, different type of stuff than we're normally used to eating. So let's head to the store. Also, today is the day before Thanksgiving, so I don't know if it's the best day to be going to the food store, but let's cross our fingers and hope it's not too crazy. So it's kind of warm out, and I put like this long, puffy green coat on, so hopefully I'm not sweating. Make a wish. All right, looks a little packed. All right, just got home. Let's unpack the car. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do with this video is I'm gonna show you everything that I got, and then through the next couple days, I'm going to insert clips of me and Anthony trying the food, and then we'll give our ratings, because tomorrow's Thanksgiving and I don't want to open all the food today because I know we're gonna have a lot of leftovers tomorrow. So right now I'm just going to show you everything that I got. So in the first bag, I just got a cabbage, and this is for that green goddess salad that I mention in like every video. And then I just got some fresh basil. Ooh, it is spilling all over the place. Hang on. All right, the mess is cleaned up. And then I got just two of these Pacifica lip things. I got the Shimmery Vegan Care Balm. And then I got, because my lips have been very, very dry. And then I got their skin tint. So these were on sale, so I just got a couple of those. And then in this bag, I got these sweet potato fries. They're hot fries. These look really good, so I have high hopes for that. Then I just got these pretzel chips. I got the dogs a treat. I got these. These look really good. These are cornbread mini chips, so I thought they looked pretty good. Then I got these double cocoa peanut butter puff cereal. This looks like it's gonna be yummy. Then we got strawberry pillow snacks cereal. And then I got these crispy wheat crackers. All right, and in the last bag, they gave me a giant turkey bag because they were running out of bags. But I just got some red grapes. These look pretty good. Then I got this toasted coconut butter ice cream. This looked really tasty, and I never saw that type of flavor before. Then I picked this up, this cinnamon pull-apart bread. I think Anthony will really like this. I've never seen like a pre-made mix like this, so I thought it would be pretty good. My dogs are freaking out outside like always. Then I got these more pretzels. These just like looked good. I think they're like big pretzels that are like chunked up into pieces, so I think they should be pretty good. Then I just got more of this cookie butter milk. It's like creamer. This is delicious. So when I saw it, and I think it was on sale. Then I just got a can of chickpeas. I got this roasted red pepper hummus because that's Anthony's favorite flavor. I got some of these sucker punched garlic dill pickles. I don't know, they sounded good, so I grabbed them. Then I got Dave's Killer Bread burger buns or sandwich buns because Anthony eats a lot of sandwiches. Then I got baba ganoush. I love this stuff, so I was super happy when I saw it. Then I got this eggplant salad. It looks like it would be creamy. That's what the front looks like. Looks like it would be creamy, but it just has tahini in it, so that was new, so I'm excited to try that. Then I got these strawberry like Pop-Tart things for Anthony, of course, because he really likes those. Then I got this holiday nog. So this is obviously like a plant-based version of eggnog, so it looked pretty good, and I figured I would grab it for the holidays. Then I just got Anthony sharp cheddar cheese, and then turkey. And then I also got Anthony these sour rings because he loves sour candy. I'm trying to go fast so this video doesn't get ridiculously long. Then I just got a cucumber. I got this dark chocolate and peanut butter granola. Then I got Anthony strawberry ice cream because I got strawberry ice cream from Trader Joe's and he really liked it, so I figured he might want some, so I just decided to see if he'll like that. And then I think these last three things are for Anthony, so I got just this pre-made salad. It looked like something he would like. Then I got this chicken tikka masala because he had this before at Trader Joe's and he really liked it. And then I just got him this frozen lasagna that we can keep in the freezer. So that is everything that I got from Whole Foods. It came to be $165, but I'll put up how much everything was on the screen. I tried to be like conscious of like what I was picking up and not get things that were like ridiculously expensive. Side note, I do not feel like Whole Foods is as good as it used to be, considering that there is a Trader Joe's right down the street from it. I think Trader Joe's seems to probably be just as good, if not better. So I just wanted to go somewhere different to try to get some different food. But yeah, I don't think I'll be going back to Whole Foods like over Trader Joe's. So I just want to put that in here before we do the taste test. All right, guys, so the first two things that we're gonna try are the two eggplant dips. We're gonna try the baba ganoush and also the eggplant salad. So let's do the eggplant salad first. And I'm just gonna try them with these plain pretzels, just so we can actually taste the dip and it's not like being overpowered by like a flavor of a chip. So it looks like there's like cucumbers and like tomatoes and stuff in it. It looks good. So let's give it a try. That's delicious. I'm gonna put this up here so you can pause the video if you want to see the ingredients. That is very good. I'm going to try to do in this taste test to not be like giving everything a 10 because a lot of times I like everything. So I'm gonna try to really narrow it down to like what would be a 10. I think this is actually really good. I would definitely pick it up again if I was at Whole Foods, but I don't think it's like mind-blowing like the best dip I've ever had, but I definitely enjoy it and I'll definitely eat all this with no problem. And then the next one is gonna be the baba ganoush. I love this, or I love baba ganoush. I don't know how the Whole Foods one is. I think I've had it like years ago and I think I really liked it, and these lids do not wanna come off. But it's just kind of like a hummus type of dip. So let's try this. And it looks like that. As you can see, the texture is just kind of like hummus. I love baba ganoush. That's delicious. I think I'm going to rate that. Let me see if I can zoom in on all the ingredients in case you have any allergies, but I would rate that definitely like a 9. I'm trying not to give it a 10 because it's only the first two things that we are trying, but I would definitely give that a 9 if you like baba ganoush. All right, so I'm going to be back in a second and we will try more snacks. All right, guys, we are back a little bit later and I'm going to try these cornbread chips. Let me flip it around so you can see the nutrition or the ingredients on there. Oh, I think the ingredients are on the front, right there. All right, and let's try one. Here we go. Pretty good. Not super cornbready. I don't think, unless I read the bag, I would think that they were cornbread, but they are nice chips. They're not like real salty or anything, but I feel like with a dip that is like a stronger flavor, they would be really good with. They're not like the best chips I ever had, but I'll definitely eat them again. I would probably rate them, I feel like Trader Joe's has really good chips, so I'm gonna be a little bit harder on this guy, and I'm gonna give him a 5 because Trader Joe's has delicious chips with amazing flavor, and they do have cornbread little chips as well. So yeah, I think that I'm gonna give it a 5. I'm gonna be difficult with this taste test and give it a 5. So I will see you again at the next thing we try. All right, guys, now we were testing 2 different drinks. The one I actually got from Wegmans. It was this, but I wanted to try it and I haven't tried it yet, so I figured I would try it on camera. It's, see if it'll focus. It's this banana milk stuff, and there is the ingredients and all the nutrition. So I don't like bananas at all, but I do like banana flavoring. So I'm hoping that this milk is just like banana flavored and isn't like thick, like blended up bananas, because I will throw up. So let's just give this a shake. It doesn't help that it's been warm because it doesn't have to go in the refrigerator, so it's been in our cabinet, so I feel like that might make it a little disgusting. I'm only gonna try a little bit, all right? Looks like that. Smells very natural banana-y, which I normally like the artificial banana flavor, but that's okay. Okay, not bad. It smells more like banana than it tastes. It actually just tastes kind of like slightly banana-y, so that's actually pretty good. Yeah, definitely pretty good. Much better than I thought it would be. I love like flavored drinks, like different types of almond milks and stuff, so not really sweet either. I guess it doesn't have any sugar in it. It says total sugar 1 gram. So I guess it's like a very natural milk, which I really like. I would definitely put that in my maybe milk frother and froth it up and put it in my coffee, because I feel like in coffee you wouldn't even be able to tell that it's banana. I don't think I would buy it again just because there's so many really good milks out there, but I definitely, if you like bananas, or I think this could be even good in cereal. It's pretty thick, or you can make like hot chocolate with it or something. So definitely not bad. I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. All right, and then next up is this holiday nog. There it is. And this is the ingredients. See if it'll show it. And then the nutrition. I think this is gonna be good because I feel like it's gonna be sweet and yummy. Let me just finish this. So it doesn't have banana flavor in it. So let's give this a shot. I never liked actual eggnog, even when I did eat dairy, because it freaked me out that you were like drinking eggs, so that always grossed me out. But I can't say that I didn't like the flavor, but also regular eggnog is like ridiculously thick. This is like a little thinner, which I like because you can actually drink it and it's not like a pudding like type texture, if you know what I mean. That's good. I feel like you could even heat this up. That's delicious. Definitely very, very good. I will have no problem drinking that entire thing. That's very good. I think I'm gonna give it like, I don't know how they could really improve it, but I don't want to give things just a 10 for the heck of it. So I'm going to give it a 9. So those are the 2 drinks I'm trying right now. I have to go to work, but I will see you back in a little bit for another taste test. All right, guys, we are back to try the last couple snacks from Whole Foods. The first snack I just wanted to talk about that I'm not actually gonna try because it has dairy in it, but it was this strawberry ice cream from Whole Foods. And let me flip this around so you could see the ingredients and the nutrition. Anthony tried this the other day. He said it was absolutely delicious. He actually gave it a 10, which he is much harder on food than me. So I thought giving this a 10 was pretty good for him, but he said he would not change anything and he really, really liked it. So that ice cream gets a high rating. Now the next thing that we are going to try are these double cocoa peanut puff pillow things. I believe this is a cereal, but I feel like I would just eat this like without milk. But let me show you the nutrition and ingredients. I really like eating cereal just without milk, so here's what they look like. So let's give them a shot. Whoa, these are really good. I feel like sometimes chocolate cereal is not that great. I think these are actually very, very good. They have like a little bit thicker of chocolate in them, so yeah, I think these are very good. I think I would give these a 9. These are good. And then next up, we are going to try the same brand. Is this the same brand? No, it is not, but it's almost the same type of cereal. But this one is strawberry cereal. So like their little corn puffs, it looks like. And then they have, just get that to focus. Without me in it, there we go. But this looks like it's a strawberry filled type of little puffs. So let's give these a try. These look the exact same, but like creamy colored. Wow, these are really good too. Very good strawberry center. Very, very good. And it looks like on the back, they have a bunch of different kinds. I didn't see these, there are different kinds at Whole Foods, but that's really good too. These are so much better than I thought they were gonna be. Very, very good. Yeah, that's definitely getting a 9 too. I really liked both of those. Then we're going to try these sourdough pretzels. Anthony also tried these the other night and he said they were delicious. So I think I'm really gonna like these too. That's all the ingredients and stuff. And they're just like chunky pieces of like big pretzel. So let's try this. I feel like these are gonna like break my teeth. Very crunchy, but not too crunchy. Very, very good. I feel like I got really good stuff at Whole Foods. I think I've liked almost everything that we got. These are really good. I would give these probably like a 9 too for pretzels. Very, very good. All right, and the last treat that we are going to try is this ice cream. It's toasted coconut butter. I've never heard of that. And look at this description. This looks so good. Here is the nutrition and the ingredients. So let's take a look. Looks nice and creamy. I let it sit out and melt a little bit so it is nice and soft. Oh wow, that is good. That's delicious. I would probably rate that. Okay, so the only thing that I'm not going to give it a 10 is because normally I like ice cream with like things in it. That's like my favorite type of ice cream. But I knew that there wasn't going to be like pieces of like cookie or caramel or anything. So I'm gonna give that a 9.5 because the taste of this is delicious. And I'll definitely eat this whole thing with no problem, even though it doesn't have anything in it. But yeah, that gets a 9.5. All right guys, and that is all the snacks that I am going to try in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to do more of these videos, just tell me down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next one.